So now come to question number 10. fx is given sin x into sin x plus sin 3x. Okay, and we have to, there are many options given showing that fx is greater than 0 at some interval, fx is less than 0 at some interval. We have to find that where it holds. Will fx be always be greater, or will always be less, or it will have some interval in which it will be positive or negative. Okay. Now this is in the form of sin a plus sin b. So can we write it as 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 to 2 sin 2x cos x. Okay. 2 sin x cos x, and this is sin 2x. Okay, and this is again in the form of sin 2x. So this is the whole square of sin 2x. So a square of any number, any real number is always greater than 0 or equal to 0. So fx will always greater or equal to 0 for any real value of x. Now question number 11. Alpha plus beta is given pi by 2 and beta plus gamma is equal to alpha. Then tan alpha, we have to find tan alpha, and options are given in the form of beta and gamma, tan beta and tan gamma. Okay. So first from here tan alpha is equal to tan beta plus gamma. Now see from here, tan beta can equal to tan pi by 2 minus alpha. So tan beta equal to tan pi by 2 minus alpha is what? It will be cot alpha. Okay, so we can write it as cot alpha. Now cross multiply. Tan alpha minus tan and cot will get cancelled, and we will have tan gamma equal to tan beta plus tan gamma. So we will have answer tan alpha equal to tan beta plus 2 tan gamma. Now see question number 12. The values for k, the values of k for which the equation 7 cos x plus 5 sin x equal to 2k plus 1 has a solution. So we have to find the range of k. We already know the formula of a cos minimum value of a cos x plus b sin x, and it is minus root of a square plus b square, and it will have maximum value root of a square plus b square. So it will, let's assume it is fx okay. Since we have to find integral value of k, So root of 74 will be greater than 64 and less than 81. Okay, so its value will be in between 8 and 9, but it cannot be minus 9, so we should assume here as minus 8. 2k plus 1, and similarly here it cannot be 9, okay, because square of 9 is 81. So now find the range of k for negative value. At k equal to minus 3 it will give 5, so yes, it hold. At k equal to minus 4 it will have minus 7, so yes, it can be. But at k equal to minus 5 it will be minus 9, which will not hold. So it will hold till k equal to minus 4, and in positive side it will hold till k approaches 3. So find the number of solutions from minus 4 to 3 including 0. So there are 8 solutions, okay, 8 values of k. Now see question number 13. It is asked that we have to find cos square value of cos square x plus cos square x plus 120 plus cos square x minus 120 degree. Okay. Now cos a plus cos b. What is the value of cos a plus cos b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos 120 degree equal to minus and sin 120 degree equal to root 3 by 2 square. Okay. Cos a cos b plus sin x root 3 by 2 square. Now here it is a minus in the form of a minus b, and here it is cos of minus okay. So when we will square this term, then a square plus b square will remain, but this will get cancelled in both the term. 2ab will cancel in both the term, and we will left out with cos square x by 4 plus sin square by 4 n to 3, and this is the remaining two terms in both the terms. Okay. 1 by 4 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 sin square 3 into 6 by 4 means 3 by 2, and for the taking 3 by 2 as common in both the term, we will have cos square x plus sin square x, which is equal to 1. So answer will be 3 by 2. Now see question number 14. Theta and phi, an element of 0 to 2 pi, be such that 2 cos of theta into 1 minus sin phi equal to sin square theta into sin of theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 cos phi into cos phi minus 1. And further it is given that tan 2 pi minus theta is greater than 0 and minus 1 sin theta is greater than minus 1 but less than minus root 3 by 2, then phi cannot be satisfied. Then we have to find the range of phi, okay, and we will further select the option that whether it satisfies or not. So first take the value of theta, range of theta, using this and this, both the inequalities. Tan 2 pi minus theta is given greater than 0. So when is the value of tan theta greater than 0? Either it's in first quadrant or third quadrant. So 2 pi minus theta, an element of 0 to pi by 2 union pi to 3 pi by 2, okay. So this will give you 2 pi minus 0 and pi by 2, means 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi union pi by 2 to pi, okay. And solving second inequalities, minus 3 by 2. So value of sin is negative only in either third quadrant or fourth quadrant. So sin minus 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, and similarly we can see the symmetric here. So only this region are the solution in between 0 to 2 pi. So what are the range? Pi plus pi by 6 to 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Sorry, pi by 3. It's 60 degree, no? Pi by 3. Here it will be pi by 6 because this is 30 degree. 4 pi by 3 and taking 6 common, it will give 9 plus pi means 5 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3, okay. Now take the union of these two sets. 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3 means 1.33 and 1.6. Here it is 1.5 to 2, okay. So definitely it comes, this is the subset of this term. So when we will take the union of these two, our value will be this, okay. Now solve second equation. So we found the range of theta which lies in the interval 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3. Okay, so solve it. Now write cot theta by 2 equal to 1 by tan theta by 2, and further we will take the LCM and we will get numerator as 1 plus tan square theta by 2 and denominator as tan theta by 2. So further 1 plus tan square theta by 2 equal to sec square theta by 2 divided by tan theta by 2, and further we can take, okay, so right here sec square theta by 2 and tan theta by 2. Now leave this term as it is. We will have sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Okay. So here it will be write sec square theta by 2 equal to 1 by cos square theta by 2. So there will be 1 cos theta by 2 and other will get cancelled with sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So here it will be sin theta by 2. Okay. Further multiply it with 2 and divide it with by 2. So 2 cos theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 is equal to sin theta. So here it will get cancelled and we will have 2 sin theta into cos phi minus 1. Okay. Now 2 sin theta, 2 cos theta sin phi, 2 cos theta sin phi minus 2 sin theta cos phi equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos theta. Okay. Now to take minus 2 as common, now we see that it is cos theta sin phi sin theta cos phi. It is in the form of sin theta plus phi. So what is the value of sin theta by phi? It will be equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta by 2. Now since we found out range of theta but we do not have any restriction on phi till now, so we will first take the range of sin theta plus phi using the restriction on theta. So theta is element of 4 pi by 3 to minus 4 pi by 3 to 5 pi by 3. So what is the value of cos 4 pi by 3? Here is 4 pi by 3 where pi by 3. It will have minus 1 by 2 and at 5 pi by 3 which is 30 degree beyond this it will be 1 by 2. Okay. So its range is in the so range of cos theta will be minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So when we put minus 1 by 2 here, we will get one plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 to 0, and when we put cos theta equal to 1 by 2, we will get 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0 equal to 1. Okay. So sin theta plus phi is in the range of 0 to 1. Okay. So now sin theta plus phi is in the range of 0 to 1. So our solution is so for any value of phi or theta, it can be like theta plus phi. First see that theta and phi is given restriction only in 0 to 2 pi, so it will have 0 to 4 pi for the using this and element of 0 to pi, or three pi to 4 pi. Okay, for that take the value of pi as divided by 0 minus 5 pi by 3 and pi minus 4 pi by 3 union 3 pi minus 5 pi by 3 and pi minus 4 pi by 3. This will be the range of pi in interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay.